launch worldwide. The first rule of Fight Club is don't talk about Fight Club. But we will talk about Angry Birds fight. It's kind of like a jewel in that you need to make matches. That powers up your bird. And as you do that, it becomes easier to defeat your opponent. So right now I'm equipping Red here with some gear that I've just collected in a couple previous battles, but I'm still very new to Fight Club. Better equipment makes your bird stronger, so let's fight! You'll see what I mean. Oh, okay, so I'm going to actually do a fight. Oh, never mind. Take that back. Okay, I've equipped them. So I get a little bit of a boost here, and so I'm going to go ahead and start matching. So these are still kind of like the tutorial rounds. You'll go through those quick. This is like a power bird. Just got rid of all of them. There's combos. Oh, and you want to match, if you can match more than 3, at least 3. But if you can do more than 3, then that's better. Oh,
Andiamo a fare un giro, Paolo, dai, basta tablet.
Aspetta! Devo fare il video di Angry Birds Fight.
It's easier for you to defeat your opponent. Okay, time's up. So I have 81, 181, 86. Oh, extra bonus time. No whammies. Nice. They're super angry. But I won easily. Sweet. So I've won 3 in a row. Alright, so I'm on Tiny Island. Now I want to go over here. Ship fight. Board your ship to fight the pig. Nice. Oh, time's up. Battle! No, I'm not fighting yet. I'm doing fighting motions, but I'm not fighting yet. Now what am I? Oh, I'm flinging over a ship like cannonballs. Boom! Oh, that was easy. Sunk his ship. You sunk my battleship. Oh, I unlocked Chuck. Awesome. Alright, so there you have it. That's like your first look. I found a new island. I just got to keep progressing. But Angry Birds Fight, launch worldwide. Download it now. Have some fun. Go tell your friends about Fight Club.